Step into the 2016 Buick Cascada Premium. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include air deflector, front seats, air deflector, rear seats, convertible roof, folding, acoustically and thermally insulated, convertible top color, black and fog lamps. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.